Hello, this is Carol Lemke from BC Gurus, and this is part 8 of the modules series. In this video, we will focus on the forum module. The forum module is a module that acts as a medium where ideas and views on a particular issue can be exchanged. Your visitors are able to create topics and respond to topics via posting from the front end of your website. You have the option of letting visitors post freely or moderating comments before they go live on the site. We'll be jumping into BC to review the forums module, so a basic intro to what we will be covering. First, we will cover how to create a forum. Next, we will review topics and posts. Next, we will review how to customize the appearance of the forums and all the layouts that are offered. We will also review the system emails that are associated with the forum, go over moderation as far as managing topics and posts, and also review how to insert a forum onto your site. So how do you create a forum? In the back end, navigate to Modules and Forums. Here you will see a list of existing forums. To add a forum, click Add Forum. On the next screen, you will have to add in some forum details, starting with the forum name. Next, you will choose whether to moderate the forum or not. You can choose to moderate every post, as in it will not show up on the live site unless you approve it, or you can choose to moderate new user posts only. Next, you can assign a template for your forum, and also choose to allow an avatar image, and choose to enable or disable the forum. If we open up more options, we can choose to include bubble topics, add a weighting. Weighting goes from a high number to a low number. Add a forum description, an expiration date, a release date, and a role that will be responsible or notified once this forum is set to expire. When you're all done, hit save. Once the forum is created and added to the website, users will post to it by creating topics and replying to topics or other postings by posting. All of this is done via the front end of the website by users. So a user would open up the forum and notice that I'm a registered forum user, so I have set up my registration info and my alias. I can go ahead and create a new topic and submit. Once there's a topic out there in the forum, a user can click on the topic, read the message, and post a reply. And that's an example of how a user may interact with the forum on your website. There are 6 forum layout views that you can customize for your forum. The first 3 deal with the overall forum design, and the last 3 deal with the individual forum elements. In the back end, navigate to your site manager and find module templates. From there, find forum layouts. These are the 6 layouts available for you to customize. The topics page will render the list of all available topics within a forum that have been created by users. Some things you can include are a new topic button, an unsubscribe from this forum button, a subscribe to this forum button, and also the topic list tag is very important. The post page layout will render the list of all posts for a topic and allows for new posts. Some things to include would be a new post button, an unsubscribe from topic button, and a subscribe from topic button. And of course, we want to include the post list. Be sure to investigate and explore the tag insert drop-down menu to make sure that this layout is set up for your needs. The registration page is where users would register or log in for new posts and accessing secure posts. So existing users would log in with their username and password, and new users would fill in a short form filling out their name, email, username, password, confirm their password, select an alias for the forum, and also include a signature. You can also have them upload an avatar if you choose to use avatars. Getting into the individual forum layouts, this first one is the individual forum layout, and it's where you would customize how an individual forum would be displayed. Some things you can include would be the total number of topics, the total number of posts, and the date of the last post, and by the author's name. The next individual layout would be the individual topic layout. This is where you would customize how an individual topic would be displayed. Some things that you might want to consider including would be the topic name, the topic post number, how many views this topic has had, and the last date the last post was posted and by what author. The last individual layout would be the individual post layout. This is where you would customize how an individual post is displayed. Some things I would recommend including would be the post date, the post author alias, and maybe including the avatar if they do have one, including the number of posts created by that author, and to the right including the post message and a reply post link, because we want to make sure others can reply to the post. So this first view would be the individual forum layout, and this is how all forums will be displayed. If we click into the forum, we can see the topics page, so how all the topics will render, and then also how the individual topics will render. If we open that up, we can see how the post page will render a list of posts, and then how each individual post is rendered. If we try to make a new post, we will be directed to the forum registration page, where a user can log in if they're already an existing user, or a new user can create an account and register for the forum. There are 2 system emails that go along with the forums. These emails are located under Site Manager System Emails. Locate the forums and you will see the forum subscriber alert for new posts and the forum subscriber alert for new topics. The forum subscriber alert for new posts is an email that is sent to the subscriber of a forum topic when a new post is submitted. This email, you can choose the email from address, the email subject, and the format and template. We recommend you use HTML and not use a template to have more control over the layout. From here you can choose a message to say, and also be sure to explore the tag insert dropdown. Some items you may want to include is the recipient name to make it more personal, topic name information, post date information, post author information, and a URL they can click to view the actual post from the website. The other email is the forum subscriber alert for new topics. This is an email that is sent to a subscriber of a forum topic when a new topic is created. So again, you can include the email from address, the email subject, and you'll notice that the email subject is pulling the module for the topic name on the forum name, and the format is HTML, and we're not using a template, and the HTML format is recommended just so you have more control over this email design. Be sure to explore the tag insert drop-down menu to include certain tags that may be helpful for your customer, so including the recipient name, forum name, topic name, date, and a topic URL. We have also included an unsubscribe link so people can unsubscribe from these email alerts. BC allows you to set up moderation controls over forums, topics, and posts. Looking at the individual forums, if you go to the details page, there is a moderation drop-down menu where there are 3 options. You can choose to not moderate your forum, to moderate every post, or to just moderate new user posts only. To moderate topics and posts, you first need some created in your forum. Once they are, you can navigate to the topics and post area of the forum. Click on the topic name, and to the right you can edit the topic name. You can choose to approve or disapprove it. If you disapprove it, it will be taken down from the site. And you can also choose to make the topic stick, as in make the topic appear first in the list. You can also choose to move the topic to a new forum. When you're all done, either save the topic or delete the topic. As far as moderating posts goes, once you're in a topic, you can see all the posts below. For each post, you can click on the author name to get more information about that customer. You can choose to delete the post, or you can choose to edit it. When you go in and edit, you can edit the text in this WYSIWYG, and you can select if this post is approved or not. When you're done, hit save. If the post is not approved, it will stay in the back end, but it will not show up on the live site. When you are ready to insert a forum, there are 3 ways of doing so. Navigate to the forum and click on the Details tab. From there, open up the Options drop-down and click Add this forum to a web page. You can also add it to a menu item, which will link to the forum. To add it to a page, you will be prompted to choose what page to add it to. From here, you can click the Insert drop-down menu to choose to insert only this forum, all forums, insert the latest forums, or insert a forum by classification. When you're all done, hit save and publish. To add it to a menu, you would choose Add this forum to a menu. Choose what menu you would like to add it to, and it will be added as the last navigation item in the menu. The second way to insert forums is to do so by using the Module Manager. You can use the Module Manager to insert items onto a page, template, into a web app item, into a module layout, into a content holder, and more. It just depends on how your site is set up. When using the Module Manager, you have the option to display a list of forums or the latest posts across all forums. From here, you will select the display criteria to include the individual item, all items in the category classification, latest items, and an individual random item. From there, you will choose an item from the drop-down menu, and then you can choose to customize the template by having an option to not attach a template. When you're done, hit Update. The third way to insert a forum is to use the Custom Link drop-down menu. Navigate to Forums and select what forum you would like to insert. This will insert the forum name, which will link to the forum's topic list page or registration or logged in page, depending on if the user is logged in or not. Click Update. If we look at this preview, we can see the first 2 were inserted in a very similar way. We inserted an individual forum, the first one being by the Action menu, the second one being by the Module Manager. And then the last one was our insert with the Custom Link drop-down menu that again will just have the name of the forum as a link that will link to the topics view.